Hello everyone, I am Sherry from Beijing Hengrui. We'd like to recommend several FFU fans for FFU filter unit, clean room, clean workshop in this video. First, let's look at the AC centrifugal fan, R4E355-AK05-05. Time to check out these fans under operating condition with our technical engineer. It's an AC fan with a start capacitor. Its size is 360 by 360 by 172 mm. Its impeller is made of aluminum plate. The operating temperature is between -25 and 60 degrees Celsius, and the protection level is IP44. Here are its parameters. Its rated voltage is single-phase AC 230 volt. Rated current is 0.8 ampere. Rated power is 180 watt. Rated speed is 1400 RPM. The maximum air volume is 2695 cubic meter per hour, and the maximum back pressure is 410 pec. The AC fans commonly used in the purification industry also include R4E310-AP11-01/F01, R4E355-AL02-05, etc., which are ready to ship from stock. Let's take a look at the AC centrifugal fan, R3G355-AM14-61. This fan is commonly used by our old customers for purification. Let us check out these fans under operating condition with our technical engineer. Its size is 360 by 360 by 205 mm. The impeller is made of aluminum plate. The motor shell is made of die-cast aluminum. The protection level is IP20, and the operating temperature is between -25 and 40 degrees Celsius. EC motor is used inside, and the fan can be controlled and read data through ABMS. The interface is equipped with RS485 interface and voltage output port indicating status. Here are its parameters. Its rated voltage is single-phase AC 230 volt. Rated current 1.5 ampere. Rated power is 350 watt. Rated speed 1900 RPM. The maximum air volume is 3500 cubic meter per hour, and the maximum back pressure is 700 pec. Commonly used EC fans for purification include R3G310-AM12-30/F01, R3G470-AL05-24, R3G400-AC30-61, etc., all of which are in stock. FFU series, AC centrifugal fans are specially designed for the purification industry. Our company keeps offering clients with large quantities of spot goods, including fans with blade diameters from 225 mm to 470 mm in short delivery time. Moreover, our professional technical engineers can help you choose, design, customize fan solution, etc. For more good fans, please follow us.